If you're looking for an affordable home in the East Valley, I've got good news for you. We are going to be touring a development and some floor plans that are not only fantastic, but they're also affordable. And there's even some unbelievable financing incentives that are happening right now. I think the best thing about this community is it's kid approved. My 9-year-old sons absolutely love this place. And I think if you have kids, they're probably going to love it too. Let's check it out. Welcome to Radiance at Superstition Vistas, where unforgettable childhood memories are made every day. This vibrant community was built with kids and families in mind. From the splash pad that turns every hot Arizona day into a mini water park adventure, to the massive playground packed with climbing structures, swings, and space to run free. Add in cornhole, bocce ball, barbecues, and a huge resort-style pool equipped with cabanas and cozy fire pits, and you've got family fun on a whole new level. Planning a birthday party or a special celebration? Radiance has you covered with a rentable party room inside a stunning clubhouse. And say goodbye to your gym membership. This fully equipped fitness center has everything you need right here in the neighborhood. This place is a dream come true for kids of all ages, and a win for parents too. You'll love the affordability with homes starting in the low 400s and special low interest rate financing available on select quick move-in homes. With floor plans ranging from 1,330 square feet to 2,487 square feet, there's something to fit every stage of life, lifestyle, and budget. Radiance is located at the intersection of Ray Road and Ironwood on the edge of East Mesa in the southernmost part of Apache Junction. Not only enjoy all that Apache Junction has to offer, which is rich in culture and history, but you're less than 5 minutes away from East Mesa and Queen Creek too. Enjoy quick access to the 60, 202, and 24 freeways, making it easy to get anywhere around the East Valley. Whether you're exploring the natural trails, relaxing at one of the smaller neighborhood parks, or hosting friends and family for a weekend barbecue, Radiance strikes the perfect balance between fun, functionality, and family-focused living. And there's even more to come, including a scenic community lake that will make life here even more magical. Pretty amazing, don't you think? Did you show your kids? Are they not wowed by that splash pad? I mean, come on, I want to go play in it myself. Okay, next up is the 2 floor plans that we talked about. We're going to be looking at a model home, and then we're also going to be looking at a little bit larger move-in ready home that has some spectacular financing deals on it. All right, let's check it out. There are more than 20 different floor plans available in this community, but today I'm going to show you 2 of the most popular. First up, the Caroline. A thoughtfully designed 1,536 square foot home featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and style. This is the Saguaro, a spacious 2,262 square foot layout with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a generous study, and a huge walk-in closet in the primary suite. It's a fantastic option for growing families or anyone needing that extra flex space. Wow, these are great floor plans, don't you think? Could you see yourself living there? What about your kids? They're still talking about the splash pad and the pool and the play structure and all the good stuff this community has to offer. I would love the opportunity to meet you out there at the development, show you some of the models. They have many more floor plans available and more quick move-in ready properties that have spectacular financing deals. You're not going to want to miss this because you will not get any financing like this in resale. That's just the unfortunate market that we live in. But if you're looking for a new construction home that's ready now, there's some amazing opportunities out there. I do need to check you in at the models the first time that we visit in order to be the one to represent you. And if you're not sure if you need representation, then I highly recommend checking out my video on why you should consider having an agent represent you at a new build community. You can find that video like up here or here or in the description or at the end of this video. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments that you'll ever make in your life, and you want to make sure that you've got somebody on your side representing you and looking out for your best interests. I'd love to be that person. I'm in the East Valley. I've been here since 1999. I love the East Valley, and also, I specialize in new construction. That's my thing. That's my lane. So if that's what you're looking for, please give me a call. Again, 480-789-0794. I look forward to seeing you soon.